Hi, my name is Caesar. I'm here to show you how to remove how to remove a hard drive from a dead desktop computer. First, you're going to have to get a Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wristband. Second, you're going to want to locate the thumb screw, which looks like this, and you want to start unscrewing it. Alright, once that is done, you will carefully, slowly remove the panel.
Just like magic.
Yeah. Okay, first you will locate where the hard drive is, which is right here. Now, you locate the two screws that are right here. There should be two screws right here. You want to start unscrewing them. First, then you want to connect your anti-static wristband to the side of the computer. Put the screws aside. And now you want to flip the computer, because on the other side there are screws holding it in place.
Where'd those screws be located at?
Alright, now you want to open up this side of the computer, of the desktop, the tower.
Where are those at?
Right here. Now you want to slowly remove the panel. Okay, then you will locate the two screws, which are right here on the opposite side of where the hard drive was, on the other side. You want to connect your anti-static wristband to the side of the computer, and now unscrew these. Now, once you have all the screws unscrewed, you want to take your anti-static wristband off, flip the computer to the other side where we were. Now, this is where you want to locate. You want to locate the data cable, and you want to locate the power cable. And you want to slowly